matrix. So as I told you in yesterday video, first you consider the below middle element. What is the middle element? 2. So go right side, 2 3, again left, again starting element. So again below 4 9 1 4, upwards 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 1, again middle one 2 3 2 2. To find the cofactor of the matrix, these are the, now what is the cofactor matrix? 2 9s are 18 minus 12, 18 minus 12 how much? 6. 3 1s are 3 minus 9 2s are 18, 3 minus 18 how much? Minus 15. 2 4s are 8 minus 2 6, 4 1s are 4 minus 1 9s are 9, 4 minus 9 minus 5, 9 1s are 9, 1 1s are 1, 9 minus 1 8, 1 1s are 1, 4 1s are 4, 1 minus 4 minus 3, 1 3s are 3, 2 1s are 2, 3 minus 2 1, 1 2s are 2 minus 3 minus 1, 1 2s are 2 minus 2 0. This is the cofactor matrix. What is this? This is the cofactor matrix. What is our adjoint of A? Transpose of the cofactor matrix. Simply what we have to do here, transpose means convert rows into columns, columns into rows. 6 minus 5 6 minus 5 8 minus 3 1 minus 1 0. This is the adjoint of A. This is called method 1. This is called method 1. So what is the second method to find the adjoint of A? Okay, what is the second